perfect day to get out, do a little bit of street photography and see how many people are out. We thought we'd make a trip out to High Park today. I believe it's the largest public park in Toronto. It's been a beautiful sunny day and lots of people got out today, which was nice to see. I thought I needed to get out as well and document what's going on and get out and do some more street photography. And they've just opened up, very recently opened the parks up finally. Barren parking lots, yes, but we've got all this, right? It's usually a hot spot, High Park is, for people to congregate. A couple of weeks ago, they would not allow people in, but it is now open, and it's great to see. People are still respecting the social distancing rules. You shoot and film?
Yeah.
Oh, I love that. Is that an old Nikon?
It's a Nikon F2.
It's the F2, eh? Probably one of the greatest ever made. That's for sure. It's a great
Since
camera.
we're talkative, we have a road going this way and a road going that way. Which one takes you over to the other side?
Which side are we talking about?
Well, there's the High Park entrance.
Right. So the Bloor Street is in this direction.
I know that.
Okay,
I'm trying to get to the other side. I'm trying to get to Parkside.
Yeah, you need to go back down.
That one?
Right down to the bottom. Yeah.
Did that take me to High Park?
Yeah. So exactly
High Park.
Parkside.
Okay.
When you head down, there's actually you'll see as the road winds down, it curves off, and that's Parkside right there.
Thank you very
Cool.
much. Appreciate
Enjoy.
it.
This is what I'm shooting with today. It's my Pentax K3. I've got my 21mm lens on here. This is my go-to lens for street photography. As you guys know, on a crop sensor camera, which this is, it's equivalent to about a 35mm lens, and a 35mm lens is absolutely perfect for street photography. I always have a GoPro mounted on my camera so I can document what I'm doing. And yeah, I'm shooting pretty much I'll show you my settings here. 1250 ISO as default. F11 is my set f-stop. And then I'm allowing, this is in AV mode, aperture priority mode. I'm letting my shutter speed move according to the lighting scenario, okay? So I'm getting at least 1,000th of a second, which is really great. It's very bright out today. And a 1250 ISO, and a lot of you might be asking, well, why 1250 ISO? This camera still does amazing 1250 ISO, so that gives me lots of flexibility with f-stop and shutter speed, and to be able to freeze motion. Got lots of depth of field with a 21mm lens. Finally being out here, look at the sun. It's just beautiful out here. And having a great time, of course, out with my son, with Benjamin, just walking through High Park and taking in some much needed vitamin D. So hope you enjoy this. I'll be showing you some of the pictures, some of the footage taken throughout the day, and stay safe, guys. Peace. Whoa, easy. When you create the story, it doesn't actually exist. Creating a reality that makes sense for them doesn't make sense for anybody else.